Okay, and seaweed is doing what now?
Well, this is why we have quarter horses and not Arabians. Anyway, I was thinking Dancer's just shedding like crazy and I get covered with hair, so I thought, why not try vacuuming?
Does he like it? I don't know.
He's a little unsure, but he doesn't seem to mind it at all. I've got it set on the lowest setting, but it's taking out a ton of hair. And I'm thinking too, like all the little bits of frog fuel and stuff that get in there. This is grooming a horse, West Coast style. Let's try Micca.
It's your turn now, Micca.
Are you able to take pictures with that camera too?
I don't think he's gonna like it, but
Well, you never know. Oh, Micca. The answer was pretty freaked out at first. I think it feels good. They're just so itchy right now because I'm losing so much hair.
why are they losing hair when it's colder?
Well, I guess it's just that time of year, you know, when the days get longer. I think it's all kind of based on how much sunlight there is. But Micah's breeder, he'll get a laugh out of that. Vacuuming horses. What next? Okay, here we go.
Let's see how he likes this.
Oh, what's that thing? It actually works really well. Stuck out all kinds of dirt and everything right off his tummy.
There's that leaf.
What's that? Hey, what's that thing? It's all caught in the cord. Okay, it's all caught in the cord.
Well, there you go. We got
Thank you.
the horse cleaner
The horse thing.
patent
The Samsung Easy 1300
patent pending.
horseback.
Yeah, patent pending. You gonna patent this and
Yes. Yeah, we'll have to invent our own little horse vacuum. Yeah. Well, that's amazing. That just makes him worth another $300.
some dark clouds.